Hi, and welcome to Smowltech's channel. In this week's video, we're going to talk about how to use artificial intelligence to prepare for exams effectively and ethically. A lot of students struggle with the same problem. They sit down to study, read their notes over and over again, but nothing really sticks. It feels like they're spending hours without actually understanding the material. And that's exactly where AI can make a huge difference. Let's walk through 5 practical ways to use AI to study smarter, save time, and actually retain what you learn. First, use AI to create simple summaries. Instead of going through long and dense material, you can ask AI to break down a topic into clear and easy explanations. You can even prompt it with something like, "Explain this as if I were 10 years old." This helps you understand the foundation much faster. Second, use AI as your personal tutor. Whenever you don't understand something, don't get stuck. Ask AI to explain the topic step by step and include examples. It's like having access to a teacher 24/7, tailored to your pace and needs. Third, practice with exam-style questions. This is one of the most effective techniques. You can ask AI to generate questions based on your study material, along with the answers. This allows you to actively test your knowledge and prepare for the way you'll actually be evaluated. Fourth, create flashcards to improve memorization. If you need to learn definitions or key concepts, AI can turn your notes into flashcards. This makes studying much more interactive and significantly improves retention. Fifth, simulate a real exam. This is a more advanced technique. You can ask AI to generate a full exam and even grade your answers. This helps you identify what you already know and what you still need to improve before the actual test. However, it's important to remember that AI is a support tool, not a shortcut. Therefore, it should be used to understand and reinforce knowledge, with critical thinking guiding its use. In short, using AI the right way can help you study more efficiently, reduce stress, and perform better in your exams. At Smowltech, we're dedicated to maintaining academic integrity in digital assessments. That's why we provide reliable proctoring solutions that help institutions and organizations ensure secure testing environments. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more insightful content. See you again next week.